Hey, it's HighTechDad. So there have been a lot of strange things as a result of the coronavirus and the shelter in place and staying and working at home and studying at home. For one, I can't get my hair cut. My kids are telling me I should grow this thing out. I like keeping it short. But other things that were kind of odd was all the crazy dashes to the supermarket to get toilet paper and stocking up on a ton of toilet paper. I've got a great tech tip for you. You can get a toilet seat, and these are mainly started in Asia, that actually kind of washes your butt so you don't have to use as much toilet paper. I've actually reviewed 2 of them on my website, and you can see there's one here and one here. So be sure to head over to my website at www.hightechdad.com. And the nice thing is you can save all those rolls of toilet paper. You can sell them to other people, because with one of these types of smart toilet seats, you actually get much more clean than you probably do using regular toilet paper. And you're conserving paper in the process. It's overall kind of a better for the environment type of thing. But anyway, so that's my tech tip. And I'm sure there are lots of jokes that could come from this, but I'm not going to do any hashtag dad humor here. Anyway, I hope everyone is staying healthy and being safe and practicing social distancing. And you can do some family distancing by using the restroom and locking yourself away for a little bit. Anyway, be sure to subscribe to my channel, and you can ask me any tech questions that you have on Twitter. I'm at HighTechDad. My website is www.hightechdad.com, and be safe.